So here this is how you need to add the links and images in the link tree. First, whenever you log in, after login click on add new link. You will see a section of title and URL. So suppose your recent title is how to match nail polish with every skin tone. So you write that. I'll copy it from the site. How to match nail polish. Add it in the title, copy the URL. Now upload the image. Use the image which you have uploaded in the Instagram. So click on set thumbnail, upload your own thumbnail, click on Instagram. If you make sure account is connected, because I've already connected it. So once you click on your first image, because that was the same image we have uploaded. So how to match nail polish with every skin tone, click on save, upload. So image is uploaded here, you can see. And so this is the one link added. Same way you will add other links. If you have any question, just ask me.